All right, guys, welcome back to this daily crypto update. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off. Usually, I start off with Bitcoin. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with Chiliz. I think this could be a good trade, of course, if everything goes according and everything with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doesn't crash, this can be a good trade. Basically, we want to see Bitcoin going sideways. I know this is not Bitcoin, this is Chiliz CHZ, but we want to see essentially Bitcoin going sideways in order for this to work. Okay, because if Bitcoin crashes, everything else crashes. So as you guys can see, guys, this is the Chiliz coin. We are in a downtrend. We took I believe, a 50% drop from the all-time highs. It was 45% drop. So what do we see here, guys? I'm gonna start off with the first thing. The first thing that we see is we see. Sorry, this was very bad done, very badly done. We see a falling wedge, guys. This is a falling wedge, okay? Falling wedges are usually very bearish. I mean, bullish, guys. They usually tend to break to the upside and a breakout out of here and a close on the 2 hour where would essentially bring us to the all-time highs again. um so that's that. It's going to be very interesting, guys, to see what we can do here. It's going to be a very interesting trade. I believe that's 100% gain if we take it from here, let's say. Sorry. So no, from the bottom it would be 100%. Yeah, from the bottom it would be about 100%. If you're using leverage 2x or 3x, you could easily make 300% on this trade. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens here, guys. So let's try to do a trade. Okay, so if I want to open a long position, if I start right here and I want to take the risk, it would be a 73% gain. And you could put a stop loss a little bit before, 7%, 14% if you're using leverage 2x, or 21% if you're using 3x. Really depends on you guys and how you guys manage your risk. Another thing, guys, if you guys don't know the Fibonacci retracement, it is the golden rule. The fib retracement is the golden rule. So we're just gonna do a retracement real quick from the bottom to the top from when this exploded. If we bring this to the top, it is right now sitting at the 6.18 level, as you guys can see, 6.18 right here. And this is a very critical level. If I would say this is support. If this closes below in the next 43 minutes, this wouldn't be a good sign, but we still have the line of the rising wedge, which is good. I mean, the falling wedge. So we're really gonna have to see what happens here in the next couple of minutes, the next hour or so. It's gonna be very interesting. I hope you guys get to watch this video. So this is the update for Chiliz. Let's just go ahead on Ethereum real quick. This is the Ethereum 15-minute chart. As you guys can see, very interesting. We do have an inverse head and shoulder on Ethereum right here. So this is the head and shoulder on Ethereum. Let's draw our neckline. Neckline. This is our neckline, guys, for Ethereum. A breakout above here, guys, would be really good, guys. A breakout. If we break out of here, we could have our target could be 1917. Um, so a close above that on the 15 minutes would be pretty bullish. It would be a 5% pump. Pretty good. We are being right now. We're being rejected currently by the 200 moving average, which is not good, but it is okay. So we are in an inverse head and shoulder, guys. Take the trade right here. It is a short-term trade. You can make 10% if you use 2x. This is not financial advice, of course, guys. Please do your research accordingly. Let's go on to Reef a little bit. So this is Reef on the 2 hours, guys. As you guys can see, we could possibly be doing a double bottom on Reef. Very interesting. We got boom, one bottom and then two bottom. Very interesting. We are being supported by the 200 moving average. So after the whole scandal yesterday, it's going to be very interesting to see what's going on, what's going to happen with Reef. Yeah, so let's try to do a trade, guys. Let's just demonstrate. So if I would take this and I want to open a long position, I place it here. We could have our stop loss right here, which would be an 8% drop. Guys, I don't think you need leverage for this, so please do things accordingly. Don't go crazy. We have two tips right here. Double bottom, that's bullish. If you guys want to play it safe, you could trade the breakout, of course. The breakout would be anything above here, and then you could long it essentially to the upside. So you could do something like this, 4% loss, or you could essentially even do something like that. You could enter either here or here, and then put a tight stop loss around here. So yeah, guys, that's the trade for Reef. Double bottom, very good pattern. Of course, guys, this is only gonna happen once again. I said if Bitcoin does not breakout, but at least consolidate. So we're just gonna go ahead and talk about Bitcoin now. Um, Actually, before I go on, guys, I want to talk about AVA. Guys, AVA is a it's gonna be huge coin, guys. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be huge. Not financial advice, but I highly recommend you guys uh look at it. If you guys don't, I'm gonna make a video about Ava tomorrow, and I'm gonna tell you guys more. So if you guys want to hear a video about AVA, leave a comment and a like, and I will do a video about AVA tomorrow, and I will do a whole explanation regarding the white paper, their website, and what it can do in the near future. Um, Guys, anyways, this is Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin right here, as you guys can see. Boom, Bitcoin. We're getting supported right here on the 4 hour by the 200 moving average. Let's take out the EMA ribbons real quick. Well, before we do that, let's have a look at the RSI. This is the RSI, guys, on Bitcoin. Sorry, it's too high. Boom, RSI. We were oversold over here. We popped back up. Very interesting. So we are right now, like I said, at the 55,000, and look where we are. We are all the way down. We have a lot of room for growth, guys. A lot of room for growth. You remember, guys, I told you guys that right here. Look at this. Right here. Look where the RSI was. We were all the way down there. Like guys, every time we make close on the RSI and we're high, that's bullish. That's amazing. This is what we want to see, guys. We want to see the RSI dropping and Bitcoin popping. This is what we want to see. So it's very news. Let's take the RSI out of here for a second. Let's take the EMA ribbons out. Um, so these are the EMA ribbons. I don't like this sign in my opinion. We are maybe short term we are a little bit bearish until we break to the upside. As you guys can see, these ribbons are breaking down a little bit. Um, yeah, these ribbons are breaking down. So let's go into the daily real quick. Daily, guys. Boom. This is beautiful, guys. This is a beautiful. I don't know if you guys remember, but if you guys go on my second, I think it was 2 days ago, I said I would like to see two red candles, guys. This is exactly what I said. I said I want to see two red candles on Bitcoin. This is exactly what I said. And we don't want to see too many green candles, guys, because we had look how many green candles in a row we had. This is not good. We need to see corrections. We need to see pullbacks. We need to see, things need to get pulled back. We need to see corrections. If not, then things are gonna crash even harder. We got supported right here, exactly the EMA ribbon, the 20 moving average ribbon, exactly. We got rejected. So this is a very good sign, guys. I still believe that we see 70K this week. I really believe so. I'm very optimistic about that. So it's going to be very interesting to see what Bitcoin does in the near future. Um, of course, on the 4 hours, a little bit bearish. Not good. Let's go on the shorter time frame. Let's on the 15-minute time frame, guys. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, it is working on its way up. Let's see. Yeah, so guys, I just really wouldn't touch Bitcoin right now. I don't like until we see further confirmation, I wouldn't like it. Although we are seeing I don't know if this would be a bear flag, but we are seeing some sort of hard downtrend movement. I wouldn't touch anything on Bitcoin. Wow, guys, ADA is popping. Look at that. Wow, guys. Wow. Amazing. These two blue lines, I drew them a few days ago, even last week, and guys, this is amazing. I said that we would consolidate here, and until we break out of this and we don't close out of here, I wouldn't take it long. So, um, you know, 3 4 days ago I said it was gonna do something like this, and look, it's popping, guys. ADA is exploding today. I didn't even realize. Wow. So we got a beautiful market. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance real quick. Bitcoin dominance. This is the Bitcoin dominance, guys. This is exactly what we want to see. We want to see the Bitcoin dominance falling down. Boom. This is beautiful, guys. Bitcoin dominance is falling down. If the Bitcoin dominance falls down to 57 around this region, we might have the biggest alt season in history, guys. You guys don't even know. We want to see the Bitcoin dominance crash down to here, around this area. If we see that, guys, we will see an alt season. Amazing, guys. We need to see Bitcoin dominance fall around this area. We need to see it. Bitcoin dominance is going down. Altcoins are popping. This is exactly what we want to see, guys. Um, so this is a daily update, guys. If you guys like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get it.